Want to add an extra layer of security to your Stripe account? Setting up Two-Factor Authentication, 2FA, is one of the best ways to protect your financial data. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to easily enable Two-Factor Authentication for your Stripe account, keeping it super secure. To begin, log in to your Stripe dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to your Settings by clicking on your account icon or name, usually in the top right corner. Then look for Security or Authentication options within the settings. You'll find an option to set up Two-Factor Authentication. Stripe typically offers different methods, such as using an authenticator app, like Google Authenticator or Authy, or SMS verification. Choose your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions. Finally, complete the setup by scanning a QR code with your authenticator app or verifying a code sent via SMS. Make sure to save your backup codes in a safe place. They are crucial if you ever lose access to your primary two-factor authentication device. Your Stripe account will now be much more secure, and there you have it. Setting up two-factor authentication for your Stripe account is quick and provides strong security. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.